Hello traders, we're gonna analyze Euro USD again. If you remember, yesterday we drew this line. This was the uptrend here and it finished. We had a sideways up to here was downtrend, and then here we had a sideways trend, and then from at this last yesterday an uptrend started. So I'm gonna draw these lines again, and then we're gonna analyze the chart, and then we take a look at the trade that I took. This was the chart that we had. Okay, now as I said, we connect the highs and lows. That's what we do. We use the bar chart, so you keep going like that. Then let's let me change the colors. To see the market better, I normally connect the highs and lows. If you see the highs and lows, it's okay. You don't need to do this. But I do it this easier. As you can see, market goes up, backs down to the high, the previous high almost. You see here the previous high. We have a line here. Some people call it support and resistance, some people call it supply and demand. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We're not arguing about the name. We just want the market go up and then comes back down. That's what we do. So the market drops suddenly. So if we draw some trend lines, and you can see we have one trend line there, and then probably another one. Well, it's very tight, but we have one there. So the price breaks the trend line, comes back down, and it goes up. As you can see, it makes this high and then crashes down, goes up again, and now it's going down. This is a 15-minute chart. As you can see, when the price goes down, it comes back up. Comes back up to what point? Comes back up to this line here. Let me change the support and resistance colors to something like this, velvet. So it goes up, down, comes back, breaks the previous low, and then comes back up here. You have to take a trade when it comes back up, not when it breaks the line. That's what most of the traders do, and sometimes it works, but sometimes it comes back up and hits your stop loss. So you have to take a trade after the market retraces back to that resistance or support line that it broke. All right, that's when you take trade. So as you can see in 1 minute chart, we can see it clearly that this market came back down, closed under this line, and then came back up, and then we can take a trade here. You see, I took a trade. It was almost there. It went up a little bit, so from there to the up is about 7 pips. So my trade went into drawdown 7 pips negative, but it closed at 8.5, 8 pips, and I made some. Let me see how much money I made. Well, it's a demo account, but I had a 5 lot trade and I made $400. Not bad, huh? And then market continued. See, continued to go down, and then came back up. Up how much? Again to this low of the market. That's how price moves. It moves, it retraces back. When it retraces back, you have to enter. Goes up, breaks, there is support line, comes back up, touches the line, or sometimes it doesn't, sometimes go through the line. So 3 scenarios, sometimes go up, comes to the line, and sometimes go down. Any scenario, you can enter around this area. Sometimes your trade goes into drawdown, it's alright, and then it hits your target. You can put the target under there. Let me change this color. At the low, you can put it in the midway. You calculate how much how many pips the market gives you, and then how many lots do you need to hit that target, whatever amount of money that you want to make. That's how you analyze a chart. So the price moves up and down. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, this is a 5-minute. So the price was fluctuating under this line until it broke. See, it retraces back to this line again, and then it starts to move in a trend. At this area, you should take a trade. Not when it breaks the line. It might not goes up. It might not, stay up there. You have to wait. Maybe it's a fake breakout, so you can't take a trade there. But if it goes up and comes back down at the top of this line that it broke, you can take a trade. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and I hope you had a good trade. Okay, that's it, and see you tomorrow. Bye.